Hi, I'm Helena, and here's how to use iScoreGolf.
You would have received the link from your tournament either by email or SMS. This says thank you for participating in the golf tournament. Click on this link and you have the Scoring Golf platform open up on your phone like this. To prevent you from deleting this link, you can add this to your home screen. If you have an iPhone, click on the middle icon at the bottom. Scroll down and click on Add to Home Screen. Then, click on Add again, and a new icon will be created on your home screen looking like this. We recommend you to keep this link open until the end of the event day. Now, click on the icon, and once it opens up, you'll see you have 4 tabs at the bottom over here. We're just going to go through these tabs and how they work and how you can operate and have fun in your golf tournament. Let's get started with the Scorecard tab. Here you can see the tournament's name, your team's name and team members, and the hole you're playing at the moment. The team score and the birdies and eagles. That as every person or every team makes a birdie, you'll see that increase. To enter a score, click on the gray octagon button. A score pad like this will open up. You put in your score and click submit. In some cases, you'll see a drop-down ad that will appear after you enter a score. Wait for that to close, and you'll see your team score will automatically go to the next hole. Once that's complete, you can click on the leaderboard tab down here, and that will show you how you were against every other team in the tournament. You can scroll through and find your team to see how you're doing. In some cases, you have a girls and a net tab at the top here, just in case that you are doing that score that day. Our next feature is the chat feature. If you click here, you will be able to send a chat message to everybody in the field. You'll also notice this will be identified with your name and your company. Have fun with that. Our next tab is the sponsor tab. You may see a different website, or it could be a silent auction page that will be able to go on and bid on items. In some cases, you will not have that option. At the end of the round, you will be asked to submit your scores. Before clicking submit, be sure you have all your scores entered correctly. If not, you might edit it. Once submitted, your final score will be posted and can't be changed. If you ever run into trouble, either refresh the page or close the app.
Fun and interactive. You hear that? The golf tournament just raised more money.